Don't skip this video if you want to get rich with a couple of AI-generated images. Yes, you guessed it right. These ChatGPT4 generated image niches are getting millions of views per day. And I've seen that almost every channel that does this has surpassed the 10K followers in just under 5 videos. But why is this niche getting this many views? Number 1 is because these images simply represent a very creative story. So in order to succeed in this niche, we must make the most creative and emotional content. I encourage you to keep this idea in mind throughout this entire process. Number 2, everybody can't try this. Now this is the only issue we face in this process because ChatGPT4 costs $20 per month. But do not worry, since I am the wizard, I will give you guys an alternative method to do this without paying for ChatGPT4. Okay, let's get into the tutorial on creating these types of videos. First, log into Chat. Then you have to upgrade it to the Plus version by paying the price. Next step is to go to the input area and insert what is on your mind or a prompt, and it will generate the images in a couple of seconds. While you are doing this, copy your prompts and paste it in a separate Note or Word file because we need this to generate a voiceover for our video. Now just screenshot these prompts and the images. Next, head up to the 11 Labs, link is in the description, and take the noted ChatGPT prompts you used and insert them into the input area. Choose a free voice. Adam's voice is what I use, but feel free to find the voice you desire and generate a voiceover. Next, go to YouTube and search for Minecraft parkour gameplay. Go to the filters and choose Creative Commons so that the videos are not copyrighted. Once you find a video copy, it's link and head over to a YouTube video downloading site and download this clip. Next, head to CapCut, add the Minecraft gameplay video, and then start adding the screenshots of our images and also add the voiceover. Now export the clip to the highest quality possible and post it to your TikTok profile. Well then, since I taught you guys how to do this for free, which many gurus charge you, just do me a favor and click that subscribe button and like this video. Now let's talk about doing this for free without paying for ChatGPT4. First step, go to Bing's image generator, which also uses DALL-E 2, like ChatGPT. Next, enter the prompt, or else what you need the images to be, and once you have it, screenshot these images and prompts. After screenshotting, repeat the same process of editing in CapCut like we did with ChatGPT4. And never forget the number 1 rule of earning money online, which is being consistent. So post at least 10 clips before giving up. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys learnt something valuable.